Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a group by view in Google Sheets with sorted data. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to organize and analyze large data sets by grouping similar entries together, making it much easier to spot patterns and manage information efficiently. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. Enter your credentials and sign in to proceed to your Workspace dashboard. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Workspace dashboard where all your Google apps and files are accessible. Look through your recent files or use the search function to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to create the group by view with sorted data. Once you found it, click on the spreadsheet to open it. This will launch Google Sheets with your selected file. Now that your spreadsheet is open, the next step is to select the data you want to group. Click and drag your mouse to highlight all the cells that contain the data you wish to organize. Make sure you've selected everything you need, including the column headers, as this will be important for the grouping process. Once your data is properly selected, you're ready to move forward. With your data highlighted, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Look for the option labeled Data and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various data management tools. From this menu, locate and click on Create a Group by View. This powerful feature allows you to organize your data dynamically without altering the original dataset, which means you can experiment with different groupings safely. After clicking Create a Group by View, you'll notice that your column headers now have additional functionality. You can choose which column you want to use as the basis for grouping your data. For example, if you want to group entries by their ID, simply click on the ID column header. This tells Google Sheets to organize all your data based on the values in that specific column. And just like that, your data is now being grouped by view, and it's also automatically sorted. You'll notice that similar entries are now clustered together, making it much easier to analyze and understand your information. The sorted arrangement ensures that everything is organized logically, saving you time and effort when working with complex datasets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.